How to show or hide the ribbon bar in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to toggle it if it's taking up too much screen space or gone missing. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, click the small arrow icon in the top right corner of the window, just below the X. After that, this brings up a drop-down with a few display options. At this point, click Auto Hide Ribbon if you want it to disappear completely until you click at the top of the screen. If you'd rather just hide the ribbon commands while keeping the tabs visible, there's a lighter option too. Following this, click that same arrow icon again. From here, click Show Tabs Only. Once selected, the ribbon commands stay hidden until you click on a tab. Then it expands temporarily and collapses again once you click elsewhere. At this stage, if you want the full ribbon back permanently, click that arrow icon one more time. Following this, click Show Tabs and Commands. Once selected, the ribbon returns to normal, staying fully visible at all times. That's how you show or hide the ribbon bar in Microsoft Word. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!